What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. On this channel, I'll go over key levels and catalysts that I'm focusing on, along with a watch list of stock tickers that I may trade. In this video, I'll be going over my watch list for the trading week of July 17th, 2023. Let's get to it. Alright, first up, the catalyst. We have a pretty slow week when it comes to scheduled news that normally affects the market, and there are no planned Fed speakers this week either. So let's go ahead and move on to the earnings calendar. Alright, so we have a full slate, lots of financial institutions, and a couple of big tech heavy hitters. The stocks that I'm most interested in this week will include Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Tesla, Netflix, Taiwan Semiconductor, and American Express. Let's get started with the watch list. First up is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now the company reports earnings after the market closes on Wednesday, and right now the stock is sitting around $281.50. Now Tesla does have some momentum going into earnings with their high deliveries from Q2. They started selling Model Ys in Korea, and the first Cybertruck rolled off the Giga Texas production line this weekend, so their earnings could be nice. Now with the stock sitting around $281.50, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to stay above 280. If it does, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around 315. Now if we look left, you can see 315 was rejected once, twice, three, four times. So this could be a very strong resistance level. But if it can get above that, the next level is going to be around 335.50. Now if it gets to 335, it could easily run all the way up to 350 before rejecting. Now on the bearish side, if Tesla cannot hold 280, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be 273. If it can't hold that, 263, and if it can't hold that, 257. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now the company reports earnings after the market closes on Wednesday, and right now the stock is sitting around $442. Now the first thing that jumps out to me is this weekly imbalance candle area right here that goes from $458 up to $513. And you can see over the last few weeks, Netflix has not been able to get above 458. So in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to get above this 458 level. And if it does, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be 513. Now on the bearish side, if Netflix cannot get above 458, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around 397. If it can't hold that, down to around 331.50. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, and here I have it zoomed in on the 4-hour time frame. Now last week Amazon was at $130 and we got a nice $6 move up to $136.50 where it got rejected. Now with the stock sitting around $134.50, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to get back above $136.50, and if it does, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be $146.50, and if it gets above that, like I said in last week's video, I'm looking for this stock to run all the way up to around $160 by the time they report earnings at the end of the month. Now on the bearish side, if Amazon cannot get above $136.50, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $133, and if it can't hold that, all the way down to $130.50. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Alright, and the last one we're going to look at today is crypto related. It's going to be Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now this one was on last week's watch list and it did fantastic, going from around $78 all the way up to around $117. So congrats to those of you who played it along with me. Now when it did get close to 117, it did reject, and if you look left, it rejected around the same area back in August of 2022, so this could be a strong resistance level for this stock. But with it sitting around $105.50, in order for me to consider Coinbase bullish, it has to get back above $107.50, and if it does, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $117. If it gets above that, all the way up to around $133. Now on the bearish side, if Coinbase cannot get above $107.50, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around 95. If it can't hold that, all the way back down to around 78. Okay, so keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I set up a website at blazestocks.com where I post my videos, screenshots of stocks that didn't make the video, along with personal finance articles. So check it out when you get a chance. Also, if you're looking to get started with investing, check out the pinned comment in this video for a link to Webull where you can get up to 12 free stocks for signing up and depositing just 1 penny. Here's wishing you a prosperous week of trading, and until next week, talk to you later.